Kamusta kayo mga tropa? Ano nga ba ang ganap? Nasiraan na naman kasi si Body Spark na flat ang gulong niya, kaya bumili tayo nakaraan ng inner tube at bicycle tire. Kaya ngayon, masusubukan na naman ang aking pagiging Sir Aniko. Magagamit ko na naman ang aking korsong VT. Anong VT? Vulcanizing Technology. Hahaha, biro lang, kung hindi nyo na itatanong, graduate ako ng BRBD. Alam mo ba ang BRBD? Sige na nga, sasabihin ko na, datang ibig sabihin yan ay banda rito, bandaron. Hahaha, biro lang. Kailangan ko nang ayusin ang gulong ni Buddy. Okay, seryoso na tayo. Dagdag kaalaman mga tropa. Ano, ready na bang dumogo ang ilong nyo? English kasi ito, kaya ready mo na ang tissue mo. Hahaha, di ka na mabiro. Ito na. Umpisahan na natin. An inner tube is an inflatable torus that forms the interior of some pneumatic tires. The tube is inflated with a valve stem, and fits inside of the casing of the tire. The inflated inner tube provides structural support and suspension, while the outer tire provides grip and protects the more fragile tube. Tube tires are widely used in bicycles and are also used in many motorcycles and heavy road vehicles such as trucks and buses. They are now less common in other wheeled vehicles. Clarification needed, because of the benefits of having no tube, such as the ability to operate at low pressure and at high pressure, unlike a tube tire, which would pinch at low pressure and burst at high pressure, without going flat. Large inner rings also make effective flotation devices and are widely used in the leisure activity of tubang. The tube is made out of a mix of natural and synthetic rubber. Natural rubber is less prone to punctures and is often more pliable, while synthetic rubber is cheaper. Often racing bikes will have a higher percentage of natural rubber than regular bikes. A bicycle tire is a tire that fits on the wheel of a bicycle or similar vehicle. These tires may also be used on tricycles, wheelchairs, and hand cycles, frequently for racing. Bicycle tires provide an important source of suspension, generate the lateral forces necessary for balancing and turning, and generate the longitudinal forces necessary for propulsion and braking. Although the use of a pneumatic tire greatly reduces rolling resistance compared to the use of a rigid wheel or solid tire, the tires are still typically the second largest source, after wind resistance, air drag, of power consumption on a level road. The modern detachable pneumatic bicycle tire contributed to the popularity and eventual dominance of the safety bicycle. Bicycle tires are also used on unicycles, tricycles, quadricycles, tandem bicycles, hand cycles, bicycle trailers, and trailer bikes. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang content natin ngayon, huwag kalimutan mag-follow at subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hanggang sa muli, paalam.